Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have some prawns with me today, approximately about 300 grams, maybe 400 grams. Now, just for your information, usually prawns are sold according to their size. And they go like 1 kg 28 pieces, and then 1 kg 38 pieces, or 1 kg 18 or 20 pieces at different prices. So what it's basically telling you is that 1 kg, this size of prawn, there is a total of about 28 pieces. Like the one I'm using today is 1 kg 28, meaning 1 kg you're going to find plus minus about 28 pieces, which by today's standard is considered XL already. Yeah, it's already considered the bigger types. The one I also buy quite regularly, which is slightly smaller, which is 1 kg 1 kg 38. Okay, of course the bigger ones will be 1 kg maybe 5 pieces. Those are real humongous. So usually all this is probably in the range of 60 to 70 to 80 ringgit per kg. These are sea prawn. All right, the farm prawn usually is in the range of about 40 to 50 ringgit per kg. Today, Appa is going to make the simplest Nyonya dish ever, which is Assam prawn. First of all, you need to prep the prawn, cut off the pointy type. Let me show you. Cut off the leg, and then cut off the pointy type, and then you devein it. Now, I hope you can differentiate between vein and also tamale. This green color thing that you are looking at, this is tamale. Literally translated as prawn egg lah. Actually, it's not prawn egg. I think it's prawns. Don't know. I can't remember which part of it. But after it is cooked, it's going to become orangey in color, just like egg. Yeah, just like egg. So usually you want to keep this prawn tamale, which is greenish in color. The vein is actually one's thinner strips, which is black in color. Okay, so this is the good stuff. Green color ones, tamale, don't waste it lah. Huh? Then after that, all you need to do is just marinate this dish and then stir fry, saute it. That's how simple it is to make this dish. Let me show you what are the ingredients needed. Some of you tell me that you tell me that you like Appa to show you at one glance what are the sauce that I use for that particular dish. So here I am, I'm showing you. For sure, you need some sugar. You need some fine salt. For those who have my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, you can put it in. And this is the main thing, which is the Assam puree. Yeah, this is better than Assam paste. Why? Because there's no seeds inside. Straight away, you can scoop it out and use it straight away. And then I have some oyster sauce, a little bit of light soya sauce, and some Shaoxing wine. For those who don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine. Like I mentioned earlier, this dish, marinate, saute. That's it. Done. First, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. This will help to remove the fishiness from the prawn, should there be any. Yeah. Actually, prawn sure got a bit of fishiness one. Then we put in some light soya sauce. You can put in fish sauce if you have, no problem. I have a bit of oyster sauce here. Oops, okay. Then our main thing, which is Assam puree, at least one big spoonful. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. You will need to give it a little bit of fine salt. And you must give it a bit of sugar. The last round Appa make this dish, Appa skip the sugar on purpose. No, it doesn't taste good. You must put sugar seriously. Because you need sourish, you need savory, and you need a bit of sweetness to this dish. All right, after that, you just mix everything out together. If you, actually they will put some dark soya sauce also. Hold on. I almost forgot some dark soya sauce. This is more for the color. And let's mix everything up nicely together. After which it is ready to be fried. This dish is one of the simplest ever. Marinate, fry, done. During the frying process, you don't even need to add anything else. Just make sure the prawn is evenly coated by the seasoning here. All right. Okay. Let's go and prepare our wok. First of all, prepare a deeper wok if you have, or pan is fine for this. Put in some oil and heat up the oil. Right, you want your wok to be really hot. As you can see from here, you can see the smoke coming up. Then put in the prawn, marinated prawn. And basically you want to fry for approximately 3 to 4 minutes maximum. If you cook too long, your prawn can become mushy. Yeah? Don't cook your prawn for too long. I'm going to let it stay for a while to char the bottom, then only I will flip it like how I fry fish. We come back shortly. This is like after the first 1 minute. Let me, ooh, beautiful char. I'm going to flip the prawn over. The char here actually comes from the sugar and also dark soya sauce, so don't be too overly worried about it. I tune down the fire a little bit, it's a little bit too hot. Too much smoke coming out. So I'm going to char the other side as well. I think I will try to cover it with a lid so that it helps to cook through the prawn. This is coming to close to 2 minutes plus a little bit. I find my prawn is a little bit too thick. Let me add a little bit of water. And I will close the lid. So I'm going to use the steam to cook through the prawn also. So this is coming to close to 4 minutes. Looking at how the prawn has curled up, it is definitely cooked, fully cooked. Look at the beautiful, nicely charred prawn. Let me get ready a plate at the side and I'm going to serve. Right, so here's Appa very simple version of Assam prawn. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.